If your bank account disappeared tonight, no savings, no safety net, this exact plan could still make you wealthy. Not a scam, not crypto hype, just the same strategy quietly used by people who never talk about money online. Let's be honest, most people don't fail financially because they're lazy. They fail because they were taught the wrong rules. Work harder, save more, don't take risks. Sounds smart. Until you realize inflation is stealing from you every single day. So if I had to restart from zero in today's economy, this is exactly what I'd do. First, I wouldn't try to make more money immediately. I'd stop the leaks. Subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery draining your future, lifestyle inflation pretending to be self-care. Not to live cheap forever, but to buy time. Because money grows faster when you give it breathing room. Second, I'd invest in a high-income skill before any stock. Why? Because the stock market doesn't pay beginners well. Skills do. Sales, editing, copywriting, data, AI automation. Not because they're sexy, but because they compound fast. Your income is your first asset. Everything else comes later. Third, once income grows, then I invest. Not day trading, not meme coins, not trust me bro tips. Simple, boring, effective. Broad market ETFs, consistent contributions, long-term patience. Wealth is quiet, broke is loud. Here's where most people lose. They quit when results are invisible. The first 6 months feel pointless. The first year feels slow. Then suddenly, everything changes. Money rewards consistency, not motivation. If you stay long enough, the math has to work. Getting rich isn't complicated, it's just uncomfortable. Do what's boring. Avoid what's flashy. Stay longer than everyone else. If this helped you, like and subscribe, because the next video explains how to turn $100 into momentum. Your future self is watching what you do today.